Hi there. It's me. You know what time it is? It's time to get messy with another cooking pretend play video. Today we are making mud pies. I loved making these when I was little. I'd go outside and I would make these pies and then bring them inside. And put them in the oven and then take them out of the oven and eat them. And my mom would always say, "Don't eat those. Those are yucky." But I ate them anyway. They tasted good. Mud tastes good. So let's get started making our mud pie. Now, to make a good mud pie, you need 3 ingredients. First ingredient is the dirt. That's right, just regular dirt from outside. I got this bag of dirt right here. This is very high quality organic dirt, so we're going to use this for our pie. I have no idea how much dirt to use, so I'm just going to pour it all in. There we go, too much dirt. Okay, maybe not too much. Next ingredient is the worms. Worms make the pie taste delicious. I got these worms right here. There's about 4 worms in here. There's a lot more in the garden outside, but I don't want to get too many because they squirm. And next ingredient is the leaves. We're going to use some oak leaves. Oak leaves are the best. They're crunchy. They're very good in your pie. I already picked up a bunch of leaves outside, so we're just going to pour those in now. There we go. That looks good. That looks like a lot of leaves. I think I used way too many leaves last time. I only used a handful, so now it's all combined. This looks good. Now let's taste test this before we bake it. This tastes good. This is delicious. This is the perfect pie. I think it's ready to be baked. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's really hot today. So I think I'm gone. Nah, turn it down to 325. We do want our pie to burn, so we're going to leave it in for about 10 minutes. While our pie is baking, let's prepare the pie plate. We're going to use this pie plate. It's a little dirty, but that's okay. We're going to wash it later. We don't want to waste our pie. So I took the pie out of the oven. It smelled so good while it was baking. I couldn't help myself. I took a little peek. It looks good. I think it's ready. Let's take a look. I stuck a fork in it, and it came out clean, so it's ready to be served. This pie is so delicious. The crust is crunchy. The filling is smooth and creamy. Worms give it a nice chewy texture. The flavor is amazing. I can't describe it. It's so good. I love it. I grew up eating this all the time. My favorite part of the pie is the filling. This is the good stuff. Bet you've never tried any pie like this before. What are you waiting for? Go outside, get yourself some fresh ingredients, and make yourself a pie. It's so fun to make these. Brings back such good childhood memories. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this pie as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Love you, bye.